happened, and I'm not much on antique stuff, but this is the original from '33. Watch it, these papers don't fly away.
You guys take pictures for Hank, please.
George, can you get
This is Garwood Scrapbook. I don't want to go page by page because
Yeah, she said the oils from the hands because of being so old.
but this has everything in it.
Isn't that price?
Now, what I am going to do is, here's a couple pieces here that you need to see. Now, this
That's from this is December 26, 1916.
1916. This is the original paperwork.
This is the original receipt of them buying the boat.
Oh, isn't that?
Now,
Showing the $1,500 deposit for the boat.
$1,500.
$1,500.
I wonder what the original price was.
now this is some things that this is paperwork to Garwood.
Yep.
Well, watch this. Here's his checkbook.
Receipts.
This is what he paid the Internal Revenue Service.
Back in 1948.
It's
And then there's a picture of Garwood in there himself too.
yeah. These Garwood's car. This was in a. Julie has a phone number for you to call.
Yes.
It's a woman in Florida.
Her and her husband. The husband's into the boats, the wife's into the antique cars.
Like my mother was on sailing my cars. So we wanted to set this together.